Welcome back to Comfort and Lasting Health, where we make wellness easy and approachable so you can live better today and for years to come. Today we are talking about the 5 hidden signs of dehydration you are probably ignoring. Did you know that by the time you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated? Most people walk around every day unaware their body is quietly begging for water. But it's not just dry lips or thirst. Your body gives off hidden cries for help that you're probably ignoring. These subtle signs are your body's way of saying, "Hey, I need some H2O, please." And it's important to pay attention because even mild dehydration can turn into a big problem if ignored. So grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let us dive into the top 5 sneaky signs that you might be dehydrated without even knowing it. 1. Constant fatigue. Do you ever feel exhausted no matter how much sleep you get? Picture this. Your body is a bustling city, and water is the essential fuel that keeps it running. When you're dehydrated, it's like the city's power supply is low, causing everything to slow down. Your cells start to struggle, your energy drops, and before you know it, you're feeling drained and fatigued. Dehydration can zap your energy in 2 main ways. First, it makes your blood thicker, making it harder for oxygen to reach your muscles and brain. Think of it like trying to run a marathon with a heavy backpack. It's not going to happen. You'll be huffing and puffing the whole way. Second, dehydration affects your body's temperature control system, making it harder to stay cool and comfortable. All this extra strain takes energy away from essential functions, leaving you feeling worn out. So next time you're feeling exhausted, reach for a glass of water first. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. 2. Sudden sugar cravings. Are you like me? You get a crazy urge for something sweet or chocolatey in the middle of the day? It happens right when you think it's time for a snack. Here's what's happening. Your body is smart, but sometimes it needs a little nudge in the right direction. When you're dehydrated, your liver doesn't get the memo to release stored glucose into your bloodstream. This is your body's preferred energy source. So what does your body do? It tricks you into thinking you're hungry by sending signals to your brain that create sugar cravings. It's like your body's way of saying, "Hey, I need some fuel, please." Next time you feel that craving coming on, try drinking a glass of water first. It might just be your body's way of telling you it's thirsty. 3. Headaches without reason. Have you ever experienced a sudden headache that seems to come out of nowhere? Picture this. Your brain is a complex network of nerves and cells that need water to function properly. When you're dehydrated, your body's fluid levels drop, and this can cause your brain to shrink slightly away from your skull. This may not sound like a big deal, but your skull has many sensitive nerves that get triggered when your brain moves away from its normal position. Boom, headache. 4. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Do you often feel dizzy or lightheaded, especially when you stand up quickly? When you're dehydrated, your body's blood volume decreases, meaning there's less fluid to transport oxygen and nutrients to your brain. This can make you feel like you're not quite all there. If you're severely dehydrated, it can even lead to fainting. 5. Dry skin. Have you ever noticed your skin looking a bit dull or rough? When you're dehydrated, your skin takes a hit. Water is a major component of your skin's health, keeping it plump and youthful. But when you're dehydrated, your skin cells can shrivel up, leading to a rough, dry appearance. It's like when you leave a plant underwatered and wilted. Not a good look. So did you relate to any of these signs? Share your thoughts. We care. And remember, staying hydrated is key to feeling your best. Make water your go-to and watch your energy, focus, and well-being soar. Till next time, take care. 5 signs you need more water right now. You might be surprised how many daily symptoms are linked to dehydration. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. When you're dehydrated, your body can't function at its best. It affects everything from your energy levels to your skin health. That's why it's important to pay attention to your body's signals and drink up when you need it. So let's explore 5 common signs that indicate you need more water right now. 1. You feel tired or lack energy. Do you feel like you're constantly exhausted? Even after a full night's sleep, you still feel drained and lack the energy to tackle the day? Well, it could be that your body is dehydrated. When you're not drinking enough water, it can affect your energy levels in several ways. First, dehydration can cause fatigue. because water is essential for transporting oxygen and nutrients to your cells, including your brain cells. Without enough water, your body can't get the fuel it needs to keep you feeling energized. Additionally, dehydration can throw off your electrolyte balance, which can also contribute to fatigue. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium play a crucial role in regulating muscle function, including your heart muscle. An imbalance in these electrolytes can cause weakness and exhaustion. Number 2, you have sugar cravings. Are you constantly craving sugary drinks and snacks? When you're dehydrated, your body can sometimes misinterpret thirst signals as hunger pangs, leading to cravings for sweet treats. This is because your body needs fluids and nutrients to function properly, and it tries to compensate by sending hunger signals. The problem is that sugary foods and drinks can actually worsen dehydration, since they can pull more fluid out of your cells and lead to a higher concentration of sugar in your blood. Instead, try drinking a glass of water first to see if it satisfies your cravings. If it doesn't, then have a healthy snack that will both hydrate and nourish your body. No. 3. Unexplained headaches. Dealing with frequent headaches that seem to come out of nowhere? Dehydration is a common cause of headaches, and it can affect people of all ages. When you're dehydrated, your brain can shrink slightly in your skull, which can trigger nerves to send pain signals to your brain. Additionally, dehydration can cause blood vessels in your brain to constrict, which can also lead to headaches. To prevent dehydration headaches, make sure to drink enough water throughout the day. Number 4, dizziness upon standing. Do you often experience dizziness or lightheadedness, especially when you stand up too quickly? This condition, known as orthostatic hypotension, can be caused by dehydration. When you're dehydrated, your body has less fluid to pump around your body, which can cause your heart to beat faster when you stand up. This sudden change in position can cause the blood to pool in your legs, resulting in a drop in blood flow back to your heart. As a result, you may feel dizzy or lightheaded. To prevent this, make sure to drink enough water before standing up quickly. And no. 5. Dry skin that doesn't improve with lotion. You may be applying the best moisturizers and creams, but if your body lacks internal hydration, no cream will fix that. Dry, itchy, or flaky skin is often a reflection of dehydration beneath the surface. Glowing skin starts from the inside, with water. So if you're thirsty, don't wait until your body is screaming for hydration. These signs may seem minor, but they are your body's way of telling you that it needs some extra TLC in the form of H2O. Staying hydrated not only keeps your body running smoothly, but it also helps you maintain a healthy appearance. By paying attention to these signs and increasing your water intake, you can keep your body happy and healthy. Remember, your body is like a garden, and you are the gardener. Give it the water it needs, and watch it thrive. So grab a glass of water, quench your thirst, and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you. You often find yourself nodding off in the middle of the day. You might be struggling with a hidden health issue. Watch this video to uncover surprising causes. And don't forget to stay hydrated.